Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on your PlayStation 4 so your friends can see what you're doing. And this is actually really easy. You can see on my other screen right now, I'm sharing my screen with my PlayStation 5 from my PS4. So what I want to do on my PS4 is get everyone into a party. So you can just go to their name and invite them to a party. And you want to go to the party screen. So you can do this by going to the home screen and going to the party symbol and select this. Now when you're in the party, there's going to be an option for share play in the top right. So I'm just going to cancel this out right now. And then go to share play. So right here, tap this and then go to start share play. And there's going to be three different options for share play. One will be share your screen. The other person can take control of your PlayStation, or they can join you in like a co-op game. So let's go to yes now, even though the results are low. Select your visitor. Then I'm going to go to share screen. Share your screen with the visitor. And they can see what you're doing now. Now the other person has to accept this invite on their PlayStation 5 or 4. Then we need to go to the game. So go back to the game that you're playing or open it up. And now you can see the other person is watching me play. So if I go over to the right, I'm sharing my screen. Now if we want this person to play for us, we do have the option to go back to the party screen. And we can change the different methods. And you can see this is limited to 1 hour for some reason. But let's go to change play mode. And the other person can take control of our PlayStation if visitor plays as you, which is kind of cool. They can try out like your games and stuff. So maybe you're like away or something, and yeah, they want to try Elden Ring or something. They can do that. So look at this feature. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.